This is the crane at Lucin putting a bridge in for the train tracks that run through Lucin about 10 miles north of me. And it took out the fence, and this is just amazing. Turn my camera. As you can see, the water is still flowing pretty rapidly, and this has made a huge like ravine canyon, and you can see the bridge there. This is all from the floodwaters, from the dam breaking, snow melting, up by Montello, Nevada, or up above it at 21 Mile Dam, or Reservoir, I should say. You see all the rock and canyon edge and heavy equipment. This is Lucin, Utah. About 45 miles, let's see, southeast, I believe, of Montello, Nevada. This is the excessive damage that the floodwaters have done, even being probably about 45 miles, 50 miles from where I live. Thank you. Bye.